In this video, I am going to discuss about chapter 1 exercise number 1.5, and this exercise is linked to laws of exponents. First, solving of these questions. In this exercise we are having 3 questions. For solving these questions we require some laws of the exponents. So what are the laws of the exponents? First we will discuss these laws, then we'll solve each and every question of this exercise. So laws of the exponents, we are having some laws. First law is what? A power m into a power n. What we are studying? We are studying laws of exponents. Laws of exponents are required to solve these questions. So just revising, if two numbers a power n, first one is this one, another one is this one, and both are in a product form, both are in the product form. Base, what about this a is a base and m and n are powers of a. So what is in this law? For solving this law, in which both base are equal and powers are there, so its solution will be what? If base are equal, then we will add powers. So what is the first law of the exponents? In which if two numbers are in the product form and both exponents having same power, then we will not having same power, base is equal to same. If two exponents are given and both exponents are having base equal to a, same base we are having, and powers of these numbers are different or maybe equal, then what we will do? We will add the power. What we are doing? We are adding the power. So a power m into a power n base is equal. So then what we will do? A power m plus n, we will add both power, then we are getting this result. Now second laws of exponent is that a power m, if any exponent is in the form of this a power m and its whole power is given, what is there? There a power m and its whole power is given, whole power of this exponent, a power m whole power, then base power will be what? Multiplication of both, m will be multiplied by n, so a power will be what? M into n. Now third one is what? Before doing this one, just observe this one, 1 upon a power n. Now in the denominators we are having a power n. Once we bring this denominator part to numerator, yes, listen carefully, once we bring this denominator part, we are having a power n, then this power n will be positive to negative, negative to positive, power will be this is the positive power. So once we bring this to numerator, then this power will be what? Negative. This is the positive, so brings to the numerator, then this will becomes what? Negative power. So similar, once we solve this one, a power m, what is this? A power m upon a power n. Now first bring this denominator part to numerator, so I am taking this one, a power minus n. Now a power m into a power minus n. This is similar to this one, first laws. Base is equal, both are multiplying form, so power will be added. So what will be happen? A power will be what? M plus minus n. So this will be m minus n. So if like these questions in this form, then what will we do? What we will do? Bring this to numerator, and then power will be add. This is positive and this is negative, so this will be what? M minus n. How it is? Like this one. Observe, a power n upon a power n. This is given. So first this part will be going to the numerator, then power is going to be changed, a power minus n. Now first law will be applicable there. Base is equal, powers will be added. How we will add? A power m plus minus n. Then solve this one. A power, this is the plus and this is the minus. Plus into minus will be minus, a power m minus n. So this one will be what? Our third law of the exponent. Now next one. Now in which a power m, like observe this one, a power m into b power n, in which base a power m and b power n are multiplying. So unequal base, in both we are having unequal base. Then what we will be do? Not there is not m, there is a what? A power m into b power m. Base is unequal but power is equal. Powers are equal. So what we will do? We will multiply the base. We will multiply the base. A, b and powers are equal. So we will do this one. So if base are equal, we will add. Base equal होने पर हम power in the multiplications exponents are given, we are having equal base. Base equal होने पर power को add करेंगे. Base unequal होने पर टू एक्सपोनेंट्स के बेस अनइक्वल है, पावर्स वाले नंबर्स का हमें क्या करना है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. बेस आर इनइक्वल, बेस जो है वो अनइक्वल है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? पावर बेस का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे और पावर एज इट इज आ जाएगा. सो दिस वन इज द फोर्थ लॉज ऑफ द एक्सपोनेंट. लिसन केयरफुली व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इन दिस exercise. This is so simple exercise. Just if you know these laws of the exponents, I am giving you guaranteed that you can solve this whole question easily without any problem. So first one, base, two exponents are given and both are having equal base, and then what we will do? We will having base a and power will be added. पावर को हम ऐड करेंगे. Any exponents power and whole power, any exponent, this is the a power m and its whole power is given, then we will multiply both power. Now like this, if we are having denominator something, then we will bring this denominator to numerator, then it will be in the positive to negative, negative to positive. Then what we will be do? Now base, both are having equal base, then we will add the power. So a power m plus minus n, and it will be converted into m minus n. And next one, base, two exponents are having different base and power of both exponents are what? Same. Then what will we do? We will multiply both the base and we will put पावर. सो हम इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दोनों की पावर सेम है तो हम सिंगल पावर कंसीडर करेंगे. एंड दिस ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड इन विच. नाउ हियर ए बी एम एंड एन, इन ऑल लॉज वी आर यूजिंग ए बी आर टू बेस. नाउ एंड एम एंड एन आर पावर्स, एक्सपोनेंट्स. सो व्हाट वी विल बी डू? एम एंड a and b are what? Natural numbers. On the place of a, b, m and n, we can put only natural numbers. We are having natural numbers. There are some questions we'll discuss, but these will be what? Natural numbers. Now I am going to start first question. And what is the first question? I am taking there one by one. Listen carefully, then we can learn these whole things. Now what is the first question? First question is find some values. Some three questions are there in which we want to find values. Now first question, 64 power 1 by 2. 64 power 1 by 2, what will be the result? After solving, what will be the result we want there? Solve करने के बाद इसका result क्या आएगा, हमें वो चाहिए होता है. तो सबसे पहले 64 जो भी आपको बेस नंबर दिया है उसका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन कीजिएगा. तो फर्स्ट वी विल डू द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ द बेस नंबर 64. नाउ हाउ वी विल डू द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन? 64 is the given number. First observe unit place. This 4 is the unit place and 6 is the tens place. So this is the unit place. For doing prime factorization we will use what? Prime numbers. And prime numbers are what? Prime numbers are having only two factors, 1 and itself. Prime numbers are having only two factors, 1 and itself. And smallest prime number is what? 2. Smallest prime number is 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 11, then 13 and so on. These are prime numbers. For doing prime factorization we will use prime numbers, and first we use smallest prime number. And what will be the divisibility of these two numbers? If we are having 2 and its divisibility is that if unit place is this one, this is the unit place. If unit place is having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, if unit place are having 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then we can divide by 2. Now this is the 64, we will do prime factorization smallest prime number. This is the 2 is the smallest prime number. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So first we will use 2, and for divisibility of 2 first we check divisibility of its. So it is, if number is having unit place means this one, 4 is the unit place. If it is having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, we can divide by 2 easily. Now there is a 4, so we can use 2. So we are using 2. How many times it is going? 3 times and 2 times. Normal division, half of this one will be the 64. 32 is the half of the 64. Now again unit place we having 2, we can divide by 2. Now how many times it is going? 1 times, remaining 1. How many times? 6. 16, half of this one. Again unit place having 6, again we can divide by 2. What will be the result? 8. Again only unit place, only one number is there and it is in the divisibility of 2. So how we will divide? Dividing 2, result will be 4. Again it is divisible by 2. What will be the result? 2. Now again dividing 2, result will be 1. So these are what? Prime factorization. These are the prime factorization of 64. Now we will use these numbers, these factors on the place of 64. So we can say 64 power 1 by 2 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times it is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Like this. 6. Once we multiply these numbers, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16, 16 into 2, 32, 32 into 2, 64. We are getting 64. And what is the whole power? Half, 1 by 2. Now write this in the power form, exponent form, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can write 2 power 6 and whole power 1 by 2. Are you getting what I am saying? 2 power 6 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. पावर्स का मतलब होता है जितना पावर है उतनी बार उसको एक्सपेंड करना होगा इन अ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. So 2 power 6 can be written as like this. Now this is a one form we already discussed, a power m whole power n. So it is in the form of what? A power m whole power n can be written as a power mn. Getting or not? This is the laws of the exponent already discussed there. So we apply this one. A is the 2, M is the 6, N is the 1 by 2. Use this formula there. Then what we are getting? 6 power 6 into, 2 power 6 into 1 by 2. 6 into 1 by 2. Once we solve, what we are getting? 2 power 6 by 2. And this can be cancelled to each other. How many times? 3 times. So we can say 2 power 3, and 2 power 3 can be expressed like this: 2 into 2 into 2, and this is what? 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So the solution of the 64 whole power 1 by 2. So finding the value of this number, first we will do what? प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. सबसे पहले हमें प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करना है, और डूइंग प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन वी विल यूज प्राइम नंबर्स, एंड स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर इज 2. if 2 we are not dividing by 2, then we will use 3, then 5, then 7, then 11, then 13. And what is the divisibility of 2? If unit place having 0 2 4 6 8, we will divide by 2. If not dividing by, we are not dividing by 2, then we will use 3. What is the divisibility of 3? Sum of the digits. Do the sum of the digits. If sum of the digits of number is a multiple of 3, then what we will be use? Prime number 3. And what will be the divisibility of 5? If number, whatever number is given, not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3, then we will use 5. For divisibility of the 5, we are having, if unit place having 0 and 5, but we use 0 in the 2, so we will use only 5. If unit place having, unit place means this one, unit place is having only, unit place having 5, then we can divide 5 without thinking. Clear? Then we will use 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and so on, like this. Clear? Now this is first question I solved there. We will use this process in these questions. So 64 whole power 1 by 2, first do prime factorization, write this way, then it is in the form of laws of the exponent. This one a power m whole power n, and this will be a power mn, and we use there. Now this same question we can do in another way also. How? This is the best process. You should do this one. But if you are having experience, you can do fast, and you are having knowledge, then you can do directly without doing factorization. How? If number is having power 1 by 2, number is having power 1 by 2. What is the meaning of this one? If number is having power 1 by 2, its meaning, once we remove this power and we can use radical, this symbol, radical, root symbol. We can use this symbol. 1 by 2 is what? Root. 1 by 2 converted into root, and radical symbol, this one, and put 64 inside. And this is normal what? Square root of 64. 64 power 1 by 2 is what? 64 power 1 by 2 is a what? Is a root of, square root of 64. And what is the square root of 64? We are having its root square root will be 8, and it can also be written as, this is 64 can be written as 8 into 8. 8 into 8 is what? This one. 8 into 8. If we are having in the root 2 digits are in the multiplication, one number will be outside, so we can say answer will be 8. This is direct method to do this one if you are having knowledge to solve this one, otherwise you can do this way. So 64 power 1 by 2 is power 1 by 2 का मतलब होता है radical, root, square root. This one is the square root of this one, and directly we are getting the answer. Another way we can also do this one. 64 power 1 by 2 can be written as like this: 8 square whole power 2, 8 square. 8 square, it is 2 times 8. 8 into 8, 64. And apply this formula, a power mn, 8 power 2 into 1 by 2. 2 to 2 cancel to each other. So result will be 8 power 1, 8. So these are the some ways to solve these sort of the questions. Now I am going to discuss about next question, second one. Now in the next question, what is this? We will use this same process, and how to do, observe this one, second one. What is the second question? 632 power 1 by 5. Now 1 by 5. Observe. Apply first method there. Do prime factorization of 62. Now in the sorry, not 62, 32 power 1 by 5. What we are doing? We want to solution of this one. What will be there? 32 power 1 by 5. So 32 is a number, we want its prime factorization. So what is its prime factorization? Unit place is having 2, it is divisible by 2. How many times? 1 time and 6 times, 16. Now again unit place having 6, it can be divided by 2. How many times? 8 times. 8 is divisible by 2. How many times? 4 times. Again 2. How many times? 2 times. How many times? 1 time. Now in this way we are getting the prime factorization of 32. So 32 power 1 by 5 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once we multiply, 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8, 8 to ja 16, 16 to ja 32. We are getting 32. Whole power is what? 1 by 5. It can be written as like this, 2 power 5 and whole power 1 by 5. Now apply the formula, a power m whole power n. What will be this one? A power mn. So a power mn will be the result. So same formula we will apply there. 2 power 5 into 1 upon 5. A is 2, m is 5, n is 1 upon 5. Do multiplication. 2 power 1 upon 5 into 1, 5, and denominator 5. So this will be 2 power 1 and equal to 2. So 35 having power 1 upon 5. So we can say its value will be what? 2. Answer will be what? 2. Now next question, 125 having power 1 by 3. Observe. Next question is what? Third one, 125 whole power 1 by 3. Same process will be there. Do prime factorization. What? Do prime factorization of 125. Now how to do prime factorization? On the unit place we are having 5. Is it divisible by 2? No. 5 is not divisible by 2. 125 is not divisible by 5. Is it divisible by 3? For divisibility, first check the divisibility rule of the 3. Sum of the digit. 1 plus 2 plus 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 is the multiple of 3. It is in the table of 3. No. It is sum of these digits is not a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means what? 3, 6, 9, like this. So this is not 8 is not a multiple of 3. So we will use next prime number. Next prime number is 5. Now it is having unit place 5, so we can divide easily by 5. So I am using 5 there. How many times it is going? 2 times. What is the remaining? 2 is remaining. How many times it is going? 5 times. Now 25 again 5. So we will use 5 there. How many times? 5 times. Again 5. How many times? 1 times. Now write this one like this. 125 whole power 1 by 3 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. So what we can say? Whole power 1 by 3. So 5 into 5 into 5 is what? 5 power 3 and whole power 1 by 3. Now apply a power m whole power n can be written as a power mn. Same process is there. So 5 whole power 3 into 1 by 3. We are cancelling 3 to 3. What is the power? 5 power 1. Result will be 5. So this is 125 whole power 1 by 3. Now in this question we are getting the value of 5. Now observe, if we are having power 1 by 2, it means root of 64. Observe this one. What I am saying, I am getting result. This is the solution of this question. Now I want to do in another way. Observe, if 64 power 1 by 2 can be written as root of 64, it means 1 by 2. If we are having power 1 by 2 of any number, then we can say this is the square root of that number. Square root of that number. Now 125. What is the meaning of 125 power 1 by 3? This is power of 1 by 3 and its meaning is cube root of 125. What is this? Cube root. If power is 1 by 3, then that is the cube root of this one. So directly we can solve this one. How? Cube root. This is the symbol. This is the radical. This is the square root, and this is the 3 times of this. 3. This is the what? 3 times of the root. This is the square root, and this is the cube root, and it is the 3 times of the root. So this is the 3 times of the root. So it is written as like this, and it is called what? Cube root. Now factors of this one is, it can be written like this: 5 into 5 into 5, 5 into 5 into 5. In the square, if two numbers are in the root, in the square root, like this, 2 into 2 in the square root, two numbers are multiplication form, then one number will be outside, and that is the result, and its result is what? 2. Now if three numbers are in the multiple, same 3 numbers, 2 into 2 into 3, these 3 numbers are multiplication in the cube root. This is a cube root. Then what will be its cube? Its cube will be 2. This is the 8. Cube root of 8 is what? Cube root of 8 is, what is the cube root of 8? We are having like this. Cube root of 8 is 2 power what? It is the 2 power 3 whole power 1 by 3 cube root. What is the meaning of this cube root? We can write cube root means power 1 by 2. Cube root means what? This is the cube. This is the square root. Square root means power 1 by 2, and cube root means power 1 by 3. So 125 power 1 by 3, it means this one is what? Cube root of 125, and we can know well how to find the cube root. So one number will be outside, so this will be the 5. We can write like this. So this is the easy process, we can do well. What I am showing there, in the question number first, we are having 3 questions, 1, 2 and 3. In these questions we are using second laws of the exponents. Second, a power m whole power n, then this will be a power m into n. Powers will be, whole powers will be multiply both. M into n we will use there. Now in this question number 1, if we are having like this, first do the prime factorization, easiest process. Do the prime factorization and solve and apply this law. Clear? If you are having some advanced knowledge, then you can do directly. What is the meaning of this one? If we are having power 1 by 2, its meaning square root. If we are having power 1 by 3, and what is the meaning of power 1 by 3 is what? Cube root. Power 1 by 3 is what? Cube root. Meaning of the power like this. Square root is root. Power 1 by 2 means square root. Power 1 by 3 means cube root. So if you don't know, you can do practice of square root and cube root, then you can learn these things easily. Yes, observe. Now in the next question we are having again 4 questions, question number 2, and there is also same process we will apply. I am going to start question number 2 to solve these questions. These are easy questions. Question number 2, first one. What is this one? 9 power 3 by 2. Again same process, do prime factorization of 9. 9. How to divide 9? It is divisible by 3. Can we divide by 2? No. Then we will use 3. Yes, it is a multiple of 3. How many times? 3 times. Again we can divide by 3. 1. So 9 power 3 by 2 having, what are the factors? 3 into 3. 3 into 3, 9, and whole power 3 by 2. It can be written as 3 square whole power 3 by 2. And now apply this formula, a power m whole power n can be written as a power mn. So this will be 3 power 2 into 3 by 2. We are cancelling 2 to 2. What is remaining? 3 power 3, and 3 power 3 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. Now multiply, 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. So the value of 9 power 3 by 2 is what? 27. Now next question. What is the next question? We are having 32 power 2 upon 5. Similar question, so I am going fast. 32, just do prime factorization. 32 divisible by 2. 32 is divisible by 2. Why? Because unit place having 0, 2, 4, 6. We are having 2, we can divide by 2. How many times? 1 times, 1 is remaining 6 times. 16. Again it is divisible by 2. How many times? 8 times. Again it is divisible by 2. How many times? 4 times. Again it is divisible by 2. How many times? 2 times. Again it is divisible by 1, 2. So what is the value? 1. Now 32 power 2 by 5 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 whole power 2 by 5. Yes, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja what? 32. 2 power 5 whole power 2 upon 5. Now it is in the form of 2 power mn. What formula we will use? A power m whole power n. Then a power mn, we are using this formula there. So 2 power 5 into 2 upon 5. So how we will write? We can write 2 power 5 into 2 divided of 5. 5 to 5 cancel. Then we are getting 2 power 2, and 2 power 2 is what? 2 into 2, and 2 into 2 is what? 4. So value of this one will be what? 4. I hope you are getting easy. So in these questions we are applying what? Laws of exponents. Now next question I am doing. What is the next question? Question number 3rd one. Easy questions. 16 power 3 by 4. Now do prime factorization. 16. So for prime factorization, what we will be use? 2. How many times? 8 times. 4, again 2, 2 and 1. So what are its factors? 16 power 3 by 4 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 whole power 3 by 4. What? 2 power 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. 16 we are having. It means we are getting right factors. Now next one, 2 power 4 whole power 3 by 4. Now we can apply a power m whole power n, and this is a power mn. So this will be what? 2 power 4 into 3 by 4. We can cancel 4 to 4. We are getting what? 2 power 3. Result will be 2 into 2 into 2. Multiply 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So 8 will be its value. Are you getting? We can easily finding these values. Now next question. Yes, what is the next question? Question number 4th one of second question. 4th one. What is the question? 4th one of question number second. 125 whole power minus 1 by 3. This is not different. First, same process we will be used. Do the prime factorization of this number 125. It is divisible by 5. How many times? 25 times it is going. Again it is divisible by 5. How many times? 5 times. Now divisible by 5. How many times? 1. So what are its factors? 125 whole power 1 minus 1 by 3. Don't worry about the negative sign. नेगेटिव साइन की चिंता नहीं करनी है, जैसा है वैसा रखो. What are the factors of 125? 5 into 5 into 5 whole power minus 1 by 3. Now 5 whole power 3. 5 power 3 whole power minus 1 by 3. Now apply a power m whole power n. What is this? A power mn. So 5 power 3 into minus का 1 by 3, like this. Do how? This is the plus, this is minus. We are multiplying 3 and minus 1 by 3. This is positive and this is the negative. So plus into minus, if we are getting same sign, if we are having same sign, then what will be the result? And if we are having different sign in the multiplication, then what will be the result? Same sign, it means we are having positive. Different sign means negative. Now in which we want to multiply 3 and minus 1 by 3. 3 is positive, 1 by 3 is the negative. One is positive, another one is negative. Result will be negative. So we are having 5 power minus. Now multiply 3 into this one. This will be 3 by 3. So result will be what? 3 to 3 cancel each other. 5 power minus 1. And this is the negative number. So we can say, we can write, if we bring this power, negative power in a denominator, then what we are getting? 5 power 1. Like this. This is negative. We can convert it to denominator. So once we convert into the denominator, then this negative will be positive. So 1 upon 5 power 1. So result will be what? 1 upon 5. 125 power minus 1 by 3. Result will be 1 upon 5. Are you getting? So in the question number first and question number 2, we used only one log of the exponent and this one. In the question number first and question number second, in the question number first having 3 questions and question number 2 having 4 questions. In these all questions we used what? In these all questions we used this laws of exponents. What? A power m whole power n. Then we will what? We will do multiply of both powers a power m into n. जब हमारे पास किसी रियल नंबर a is what? a, b, m and n are naturals are real numbers. किसी रियल नंबर की पावर हो और उसकी होल पावर भी हो, तो देन बेटा व्हाट वी विल बी डू, हम इन पावर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो इन जितने भी क्वेश्चंस थे 1 2 3 फर्स्ट, 1 2 3 4 इन द सेकंड, इन दीज क्वेश्चंस व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, फर्स्ट वी डू द फैक्टराइजेशन, राइट इन द पावर फॉर्म, देन multiply this power, then we are getting the result. Solution, easiest process, not hard, easily we can do well. Now question number third one, simplify these questions. In this we are having 4 questions or we want to simplify each, and we will use some laws. Easy. How? Just I am writing there question number third, first one. Now what is the question? Wait, I am trying to solve there, don't worry. Similarly we will do easy. Question number 3, first one, simplify. What? Simplify first one, 2 power 2 upon 3 into 2 power 1 upon 5. Observe, what are the questions? We are having 2 exponents. This is the first exponent and this is the second exponents, and we want to multiplication of both. So in which what property or laws we will use? two exponents are having same base and powers are different equal, no worry. If two numbers are in the multiplication, two exponents are in the multiplications are having same base, then what will we do? It is in the form of a power m into a power n. Yes or no? This question is in the form a power, 2 power this one, a power n, this one. Now, both exponents are having same value, same base, then power will be added. If base is equal, both exponents base is equal, then power will be added. So a power m plus n. So now applying this formula there, how? 2 power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Now in the power we are having what? Fractions. So हमें नॉर्मल फ्रैक्शन का एडिशन करना है. 2 power, for adding fractions we want LCM. What? LCM. इनका क्या होगा? LCM लेना पड़ेगा. So in the fractions denominator parts, LCM किसका होगा? Denominators. So in the denominators we are having 3 and 5. So LCM, two different numbers are there. Then LCM will be product of both numbers. If small numbers are there, so no necessary to do long division method. Normally multiply both number. If two same numbers are there, then LCM will be whatever numbers same, used as it is. If there are 2, LCM will be 2. 3, LCM will be 3. 5, LCM will be 5. 9, LCM will be 9. But different numbers are there, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, like this. Then we will multiply both numbers. So in both we are having 3 and 5 as a denominator. So we will multiply for getting LCM. 5 into 3, 5 3 ja 15 will be LCM. What we are doing? 2 power, we are having this power and I am trying to solve this power only. Base is the 2. I am solving power. So 15 is the LCM. Now how to divide, solve this one? Like I am writing there 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5. LCM is 15. We are dividing 15 from 3. How many times it is going? 3 5 ja 15. 5 times it is going. Result will be multiplied by denominator. 5 2 ja 10. Plus now this number will be used to divide this number. So 15 divided of 5 will be how many times? 3 times it is going. So result will be multiplied by numerator 3. So this will be 13 upon 15. Again observe, two fractions are given. LCM will be 15. Now what? We are dividing this number, denominator, this number from this one. Result will be 5. 5 2 ja 10. This number is dividing by 5, result will be 3 and result will be multiplied by numerator 3, adding both 13 by 15. So this will be the solution of this one. So we can say 2 power 13 upon 15 will be the result of this question. Getting? Easy? Now next one. Next one is what? Observing. Next question I am solving there. What is the next question? Question number 3, second one. And what is the question? 1 upon 3 power 3 and whole power 7. Observe. 1 upon 3 power 3. It is in the form of like this. 1 upon a power n. 1 upon a power n can be written as 1 upon a power n can be written as, this is the denominator part, this number, this exponent in the denominator. So once we bring this number to numerator, its power will be positive to negative, negative to positive. So this is the positive, so will be negative, a power minus n. First do this one, easy. 1 upon this one, convert into the standard format, brings this denominator part to numerator, then power will be positive to negative. Like this, yes or no? Now this is a standard form, a power m whole power n. It will be a power mn. M is minus 3, n is 3, m is minus 3, n is 7, sorry, n is 7, a is 3. So we will apply this formula there. 3 power minus 3 into 7, negative number, so I am using bracket there. Now again minus, this is a negative number, this is a positive number, we are multiplying. One is negative, one is positive. In the multiplication, sign will be first multiply sign, minus into plus, minus, and 3 into 7, 7 3 ja 21. So result of this question will be 3 power minus 21, and this can be written as, this is in the negative form, you can use 1 upon 3 power 21 like this. Again observe, what is the question? 1 upon 3 power 3. We want its solution and its whole power is 7. So first bring this to numerator, then sign will be negative, positive to negative. Then apply this formula, a power mn, m is minus 3, n is 7, a is 2. Then we are multiplying, both are opposite sign, negative and positive, multiplying minus into plus, minus 7 3 ja 21. 3 power minus 21, one is this one answer. And we can also convert this to like this, both are correct. Yes. Now next question I am trying there, question number third one. What is the question number third? I am writing. Question number third one, what is the question? 11 power 1 by 2 divided of 11 power 1 by 4. Now it is in the form of, in which we will use what? Laws of exponent of this one. A power m upon a power n will be a power m into a power minus n. So what formula we will use in which? Observe. This, it is in the form of a power n upon a power n. So it will be converted into a power m into a power n will be negative, and result will be, now apply first law, basic both exponents are having equal base, so a power m minus n will be result. So how we will do this one? Observe this one. First we will do like this, 11 power 1 by 2 into, now this converted into numerator, 11 power minus 1 by 4. Clear? Brings this denominator part to numerator, this is a positive, so it will be converted into negative. Now base is equal, we can add power, how we will add power? Do 11 power 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 4. Then how it is coming? Minus, we are adding है ना, minus n, plus into minus, minus a power m minus n. We are doing like this. So 11 power 1 by 2 plus into minus, minus 1 by 4. Now take LCM. 11 power LCM. What will be the LCM? 1 by 4, sorry, 1 by 2, not 4. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. What will be the LCM? In the denominators we are having 2 and 4. Take LCM. 2 and 4, LCM will be what? I am doing long division method there. Both numbers 2 and 4 are multiple of 2, not multiple of 2. Both are divisible by 2. So dividing by 2. How many times? 1 times, 2 times. Now again divide by 2. So LCM of 2, 4 will be what? 2 into 2. Result will be 4. So this one is the LCM. So LCM will be what? 4. How many times it is going? 2 times. We are dividing 4 from 2. 2 times it is going. Result will be multiplied by numerator. 2 into 1, 2. Minus how many times it is going? 1 time. Result will be multiplied by 1, 1. 2 minus 1 will be 1. 1 by 4. So its power is what? What we are doing? In the power, first taking the LCM. LCM is 4. How many times it is going? 2 times. 2 will be multiplied 1. 2 minus how many times? 1 times, and result will be multiplied by 1, 1. So we can write 11 power 1 by 4 will be our result. So how we are solving this one? First bring this to numerator and positive converted into negative power like this. Then we will apply this formula. Then what will be the formula? Base equal, both exponents are having equal base, then power will be added. So this is positive and negative, so we will be add like this, and result will be this one. Getting? Now next question is last questions is there, just trying to solve this one. So in this class what we are discussing? We are discussing 9th standard first chapter number system and exercise 1.5 linked to laws of the exponents. Some laws are there and how we are applying. So we are having in the exercise some questions and we are doing some questions there. So now last question, question number 4th. And what about this question? 7 power 1 by 2 into 8 power 1 by 2. Now for these questions we will use 4th laws of exponents. Now 4th laws of the exponents is what? Solve this one. A power m into b power n. If two different numbers, two different exponents, base of both exponents are different, a and b, power is same, like this, power is same, then result will be product of both base and power, put the power, same power, so we will use one time power. So a power m into b power m will be ab whole power m. Apply this formula there. A power a is 7. What is this? A is 7, b is 8, m is 1 by 2. 7 into 8 power 1 by 2. So 8 7 ja 56. 56 power 1 by 2. And this 1 by 2 can be written as like this, root of 56. If you know the its root, no, 64 having standard root, once we solve we can find its root by using long division method, but that is sufficient result. Only we want its root. So this number value will be 56 power 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 means root of this one. Once we solve its roots, yes, we can solve its root also. How we will solve its root? I am using long division to solve this square root. What number I am having? 56. I want its root. So how we will solve? 56 I am putting there. Now make 2-digit pairs. I am making pair from right side. So in which we are having only 2 numbers. So only single pair will be there. If more than 2 numbers if we are having, then we do from the right side. Now there is only a single pair. Now use 2 same number there and multiply both number and put there. Multiplication of both number will be below this or equal to this one, not more than this one. When we use 8 and 8 into 8 is 64, and 64 is more than this one, so we cannot use 64. So what number we will use? 7 and 7 there. Multiply both number, result will be 7 7 49, and how many times it is going? 7 times. In the question we will write 7. Subtract both, remainder will be what? 7. 16 minus 9, we are carrying 1, borrow 1, 16 minus 9 will be 7, 4 minus 1, 4 will be 0. So now 7 and add both, 7 plus 4, 7 plus 7, 14. Now if you put 1 there, 1 or 1 there, we are having, multiply both, 141, and there we are having only 7, so we cannot divide. So for dividing we will use point there, and in the square root once we use point, then we will use 20 there. Now we are having 700. Now use 2 numbers, 2 same numbers are there, multiply, and multiplication should be below and equal to this one. So once we use 4 and 4 there, then what we are getting? 4 4 ja 16, 1 is remaining. 1 is remaining. 4 4 is 16. 16 plus 1. 16 plus 1, 17. 1 is remaining. 4 1 is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 56. If we use 5 5 there, then what will be happen? We use 5 5 there. Then what will be happen? 1 4 5 and 5. 5 5 is 25. Remainder is 2. 5 4 is 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 2 is remaining. 5 1 is 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 725. We are having only 700. So we cannot use 5 5 there. Why? Because once we put 5 5 there and multiply, then what we are getting? 725. Or we want 700 or below this one. So we will multiply 4 and 4. So after multiplication we are having this one. Now subtract 10 minus, we are borrow 1, so there will be 10. 10 minus 6 will be 4. There is 9. 9 minus 7 will be 2, and there is 6. 6 minus 5 will be 1. 124. Now add 4 plus 4, 8, 4, 1. 148 we are having. Again we will use same process. Now we will use this 4 there. 7 times it is, sorry, 4 times it is going. So we will put 0.4, 7.4. First time it is going 7 times. Now 4 times. Now checking. Now again 148 we are having this one. Once we put 1 1 there, we are having 1481, 1481, and more than this one we cannot divide. So we use the point there and it is giving to power to use 20. So we are using 20. Now this is 1200, 12,400, 12,400. So what number we will be used there? So once we multiply, we will getting below this one or equal to this one. So what number will be there? Use we want two numbers are there. 148, I am using 8. 8 8 is 64. 4 will be there. 6 is remaining. 8 8 is 64. 64 plus 6. 64 plus 6, 70. 70 means 0 will be 8 8 is 64. 6 is remaining. 8 8 is 64. 64 plus 6, 70. 0 will be there. 7 is remaining. 8 4 is 32. 32 plus 7. 32 plus 7. What will be the result? 7 plus 2, 9 and 3, 39. So we will use 9 there. 3 is remaining. 8 1 is 8. 3. 8 plus 3, 11. 11,904. 11. Yes, we can use this one there. 11,904. There is 8 and 8. If we use 9, then what will be happening? 1489. If we use 8, we use 9 there, then multiply this one. 9 9 is 81. 1 8. 9 8 is 72. 72 plus 8. 72 plus 8, result will be 80. 0. 8 is remaining. 9 4 is 36. 9 4 is 36. 36 plus 8. 36 plus 8 will be what? 36 plus 8 will be 8 plus 6, 14. 1 is remaining. 4 plus 1, 3 plus 1, sorry, 3 plus 1, what? 3 plus 1, 4. 8 plus 6, 14. 1 is remaining. 3 plus 1, 4. 44. 4 will be there. 4 is remaining. Now multiply 9. 1 ja. 9 into 1, 9. 9 plus 4, what we are getting? 9 plus 4, 13. And this is more than this one. This number, 13,401. It is more than this one. So we cannot use 9 there. What number we will be use? 8. And we put 8 there. Clear? So subtract this one. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 will be there. Now there is a 3. We cannot subtract. Borrow 1 there. 13 minus 9. 4 will be there. And there is a 1. 0 and 0. Similarly, we will do this process, we are getting this result. So what value of this one we are having? Once we solve, this root 56 will be what? 7.48 and so on. So this result, this is the square root of 56. So what will be the square root of 56? 7.48. How we are getting? By using long division we are having this one. So in these questions I explained this long division square root also. I hope समझ में आया होगा. So just I am revising what we studied in this class. In this class we started with the laws of the exponents. And then I explained each and every questions of new NCERT of 9th standard exercise 1.5 with details. Each and every questions I explained there with details. So in the exercise 1.5 we are having, in the first we are having 3, in the second we are having 4, in the third we are having 4. I explained all. And for solving these questions we require laws of the exponents. In the laws of the exponents we are having these laws, and I explained also. So if you are having any doubts, you can revise this exercise and you learn these laws and apply these laws. You can solve each and every questions. Thank you so much.